Hey guys, welcome back to the internet and welcome to youtube.com. This is my little goat. He's just the goat and this is his caretaker, and they'll just be standing there. So Brooke Ligertwood released a song today called Burn, and it's got some really interesting chords, and I'm going to play them for you before we carry on. So so beautiful. And in the pre-chorus it goes like, and then it carries on. So all in all, like an amazing song. Let me actually show you a close-up quickly of everything that they're doing. And before we actually do the close-up, let's just do the picking pattern, because that's the hardest thing of the song, I think, if there is, if I can call it the hardest thing. But anyway, so so it's based on a simple Travis pattern. So if I'm doing a G, capo 3rd fret, G, and if I'm doing like a Travis pattern, like, that's the basis of the whole thing, right? But they do it twice each time, and every second time this note is a ghost note. Okay, so that's the easiest way to, let me play it for you. But sometimes it's not, especially if you're going to have a chord change here and here. But once you have that picking pattern down, then you can carry on with the chord. So the chords of the song are simple. It's going to be, the first part of the verse is going to be G, A minor, C, G. So you'll see the ones that have a dot under them means it's basically one beat on that chord. So it's like, so let's do that again. G, A minor, C, G. And then the second line is going to be C, D minor. And this is kind of like an inverted D, or like a D7 shape. But here on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings makes it an E minor. And just be careful to not play the A string, because it's going to mess up your chord. You want to mute the A string with the ring finger over here. Okay. Okay, cool. So basically that second line is going to be. So let's do the first two lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alternatively, you can play this E minor and just add the high E string into your picking pattern. The second half of the song goes C, C/B, A minor, and you can't see the chord there. Sorry, this tree, I need to kind of sort out my little system here. But anyway, din, 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 din. And then din, din. Okay, so that's basically the whole thing. So just remember the dots are for one beat. I'll just put it all on the screen there so you can screenshot it, or just like kind of play with it, pause the video, play the piece. So let's just play with it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. in the pre-chorus, we're going to do the same kind of thing, but just with a D/F sharp. So we're going to start on A minor, G, G, D/F sharp, C, and then again. And the chords that I'm using there are going to be A minor, G, G, D. It's like a D6/F sharp. But you could use this D if you want. And then back to C. Now they've actually got two guitars playing here. The second guitar is doing, what's he doing? He's doing like capo here. Yeah, B flat here. That kind of thing, and with the other parts he's doing with the G. Yeah, so it's just a little bit. Something like that, but I'm not going to get into that. Most people will only want to learn the main guitar part. So, and then the bridge, it's basically C, D for 2 beats, and E minor. So you can see what that looks like there. C, D, E minor. 2. And you could strum that, and you could do like a C. What's making so much noise? Sorry guys. So C, D, E minor. So if you want to get a little more creative with the chords, I'll just jam around with it a little bit, and you can see what it is you like. So let me just tell you maybe how I would play this kind of thing. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of what I will do in the verses and the intro, and then or you could go sorry. I'm just messing around now. Really a great song and really good thing to study as an acoustic player. Just an intermediate level acoustic player to help you get a deeper understanding of the chords in the key of G. Now obviously this song is in the key of B flat, but this is a G chord. But it's actually a B flat, but it's a B. It's a G on guitar, you know. Anyway, so bye guys. Have a nice day. I'm kind of trying some different things on my channel to see what people enjoy and what they don't enjoy. to see what works, because I'm really enjoying this YouTube thing, and I think that can be the thing that can help me build a local music school that's really cool. So that's the end game. The end game is to build like a really nice local school that can sponsor kids and things. But it takes a lot of money, obviously, and a lot of things that have to be in place. So if the YouTube channel can get that money, then we can have an amazing music school. But in order for your YouTube channel to make money, you have to have a lot of views, and you have to be not popular, but you have to have people watching your videos. If you have videos and people aren't watching them, then that's not ideal. Cheers.